Shalom! We're so glad you're here to create Jewish art with us. Today we're going to show you how to draw a very simple Tower of David to celebrate Yom Yerushalayim, Jerusalem Day. We're going to start with a black marker so you can see it on camera, but you could use a pencil and eraser so you can erase it if you want. We're going to start at the top of the tower over about here on your page. Start by drawing a triangle. Great job. You want to make yours, if you've done one like that, you can add another one on. So you could put a point there, connect it, and back to the top. Great job. So now you've got the top of your triangle of the tower. Now we're going to draw a square underneath. A square, or it's okay if yours is a rectangle. Great. And now we're going to draw a tall, skinny rectangle all the way down to the bottom, making it wider than the square above it. All the way down. Great. And you can go ahead and put a little tiny window. Doesn't have to be in the exact place. Go on ahead and just draw a box. I just did mine with a thick stroke of my chisel tip marker. Well done. And now what we're going to do is draw a castle line across the paper, but we're going to skip the part of the tower. Are you ready? So let's draw it up here a little bit higher so we have some area to fill in here. So we're going to start and go up like you're doing a little rectangle and down. Great. Fantastic. Now skip the part of the tower and continue your castle line like so. And remember, it doesn't have to come out perfect. We're just trying to give the idea of this very old tower, the Tower of David for Yom Yerushalayim. Well done. I like how you're doing it. So that's all for the drawing. Now what you can do is you can go in and get different colors of brown to layer it. And if you don't have different colors of brown, I want to show you how you can use a yellow marker to draw first to make a more yellow brown. So if you don't have many different shades of brown in your marker collection, try putting a yellow underneath, and then you'll see that it will make it slightly different. You're doing so great over here. My 6-year-old helper is demonstrating the castle line. All right. So you can see the part where I colored yellow under is a little bit lighter. And I do happen to have a different color brown marker here. And I'm going to go on ahead and fill that one in. And you can choose any colored markers. Now the real Tower of David, the stone, is not as dark as this. It's sort of a lighter tannish color. But, you know, we're doing a drawing to get the idea of it. We're not drawing an exact replica. If we wanted a picture of it, we could take a picture of it, get a picture off the internet. We're doing some artwork about it. And the exact shape of the top of the tower is not quite a triangle, but we're doing a simplified version so that we can draw it easily for our age. All right, so we're coloring in here the tower parts. And I want to give you a tip next on how to do the sky. If you need some more time to color, you can go on ahead and pause this video as you're following along. That doesn't have so much juice in it. You might want a different one. All right, I'm going to do the sky with a chisel tip marker. A chisel tip marker is a fatter marker than this skinnier marker. You want to try this one? All right. What I'm going to show you is how to draw the clouds. So we know that clouds are not blue. The sky behind it is blue. And sometimes I like to draw mine going off the page. I think it looks more realistic. And different sizes, okay? And I like to always do odd numbers. It's more interesting to the eye. Now as my 6-year-old continues to draw here, I'm just going to fill in the sky. What I'm going to do is color around the cloud so that the sky is blue, a blue, beautiful sky over Jerusalem, but the cloud remains white. And you can draw your cloud any different shape. You want a blue? Great. it's quite a bit of work to color in this whole page of the sky. So I'm not sure if we're going to show the whole thing on this video. We're just going to demonstrate the technique and you can finish it off on your own. All right. And you can see how I'm going to connect the sky over to the second one, draw around it, and I'll fill in after we stop filming the video over here. Don't forget to draw your stone wall, and if you wanted to draw stone bricks, what you could do is have a horizontal line like this, which is showing the top and the bottom of the bricks, a vertical line to show the stones, and you want to have it staggered. Okay, so you don't want to have these lines stacked on top. You want to have one staggered and then the other, and that's going to show you more realistic bricks. And of course this is an old building, so if you wanted, when you color it in, to have it be rounded on the edges, that will show that the bricks have been worn down, the stone has been worn down over time. Great job. Okay, this is going to be it for today. We hope you have a wonderful Yom Yerushalayim. Thank you for joining us.